Hi, my name is Frank Brooks, and I'm an active member of CEO Watchlist. I'm currently in my second 3-month membership. I've already made back my second membership fee, and I'm profitable. Over and above that, I will continue to keep my membership.
It's given me so much confidence with regard to how I feel about stock trading. Like a lot of my friends, because I was never into stocks, and none of my friends are into stocks. So just telling them, like, I made another $200 today. Like, I made another $150 today. I know the big stock traders are probably making like thousands of dollars because that's their job, but another $150 or another $1,000 in a month is a lot of extra money just for me in particular. And I keep thinking about all of the amazing things that I'll be able to do just because I found this class.
After trading with CEO Watchlist, the first 3 weeks, I returned a profit. I returned big time profits at that. I recommend that you all join CEO Watchlist today and get started on how to trade the proper way.
Zach and Josh are really good at what they do. They give market analysis, they give training, they'll answer your questions almost any time of the day. They have live phone calls where they go over what's going on in the market, what trends they're seeing.
They teach you anything and everything you want to know. It's broad and still specialized. You get a great pair of mentors with Josh and Zach. They're always available 24/7. But on top of that, you also get a great community, which would be other traders who have gone from my situation of not knowing hardly anything to master traders, and we all help each other as a community.
I personally trying to learn my own by reading books or watching videos online, but now that I'm part of the program, I can see the big difference, not only in learning terms, but also in my portfolio.
So in my long-term investment profile, I've actually gone way up, and Josh helped me do that. And through Zach and Josh's mentorship, through the daily calls, through the nightly Sunday night chats and stuff like that, I got a better grasp of what I was doing. So now I'm no longer losing money, I'm actually gaining money. And I thank that to Zach and Josh. Thank you guys.